Now let's enter into the satsang, today's subject. Breathe life into your breath. Hundred and second sutra in Patanjali Yoga Sutras, and in second chapter, 51st verse. The sutra means, let me read the sutra. Bahya yandara vishaya akshepi chaturtaha. The fourth is the restraining of the prana by directing it either to external or internal objects. This is the Swami Vivekananda's translation. Swami Prabhavananda's translation is, the fourth kind of pranayama is the stoppage of the breath, which is caused by concentration upon external and internal objects. Swami Sachidananda's translation is, there is a fourth kind of pranayama that occurs during concentration on an internal or external object. It's a very powerful sutra. Bahyapyantara vishayakshepi chaturtaha. The awareness which you carry about you, if it gets centered on something, whether internal or external, means on any chakras, if it gets centered, it is called internal, or any object in the mind, it's called internal. If it gets centered on external, some outside object, because of that awareness getting centered, if the breathing stops, that is the fourth kind of pranayama. I can say it is one of the ultimate pranayama, fourth stage of pranayama. Only after this step we can enter into the next steps of yoga. Next parts or angas of Ashtanga. Please understand, the first level pranayama is just regulating the four actions, four flow, going in, coming out, staying out. The second stage of pranayama is elongating. I can say the second stage, I am putting it now serially, elongating that four stages. The third stage of pranayama is stopping in any one of that four stages. The fourth stage of pranayama is, because of being centered in some object internally or externally, if your breathing stops, that is what is fourth. That is what is fourth. Bahyapyantara vishayakshepi chaturtaha. Outward, inward, object, experience, or idea. All these things can be called as Vishaya. Whether, see, if it is external, it can be called as object. If it is internal, you cannot call it as object. It can only be an experience or thought or an idea. So being centered either on external or on internal object can lead to the stoppage of air movement, can lead to just prana going in and settling into your system. This is the fourth stage of pranayama. Please understand. Concentrating on external object or internal object. And because of that, if your breathing movements stop, you will experience the stage of breathing without thinking. Breathing may not happen, but your thinking will not be there. That stage, I can say, is one of the most powerful pranayama, the fourth stage of pranayama. In this stage, you will be able to create anything you want, because all the materials are created out of prana. You will have access to that base material. It's like if you have clay, you can make anything which can be made in clay. Same way, if you have a prana under your control, you can make anything you want, because everything is made out of prana. All the materials made out of prana can be made by you if you achieve this state of stoppage of breath by being centered, your awareness being centered on something internally or externally. But you need to understand, only till Indraloka, pleasures can be made by prana. Beyond the Indraloka pleasures, the spiritual realms, those things cannot be made by prana. But in this world, whatever you want can be just like that made, when the prana is under your control. Understand this sutra? Concentrate either some object external or some idea or experience internal. If your awareness is centered on that, breathing stops, only prana inflow happens, you achieved the fourth stage of pranayama. And extraordinary siddhis and powers are expressed through this achievement. I bless you all to experience, live, express, radiate, share the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.